This tutorial video will walk you through assigning different tests to different students in the same class and changing settings in order to provide accommodations for students that need it. If you have not yet set up classes in FOSSweb or have not yet assigned a test in FOSSmap, please go to the FOSSweb walkthrough videos page for more information. Sometimes you may not want to assign an assessment to all students in your class, or you may need to assign the test in English to some students and Spanish to others. You can only do this for individual classes, not for group assignments. To do this, first select your class from the drop-down menu. Then deselect Use Rosters at Time of Test Taking. Note, be sure not to select Student Level Assignment. The list of students will appear with all of the names selected. Click on the students' names who will not be taking the test in English. The background will go from blue to gray, meaning they will not be assigned the test. Then click the Assign button. Next, go back to the top of the page and select the test in Spanish from the drop-downs. Scroll back down to the Select Students section and click the Invert Selection button. Then click the Assign button. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see two test assignments. The process is similar for students who will be taking the test with audio accommodations. First, set up the test for students who do not need audio and click Assign. Then select Invert Selection. Click on Test Preferences in Effect, scroll down, and click the Change button at the bottom. Find Accommodations in the list and click on it to expand. Click the radio button for Simple Audio or Advanced Audio. Simple Audio provides a Start-Stop button on each page. Audio restarts from the beginning if stop is pushed. Advanced Audio provides a Start and Stop button, but also allows users to pause the audio. Once you've made your selection, click on the Set button. Then scroll down and click the Assign button. You will see your test assignments at the bottom of the page. To check whether you assigned the correct assessments to the correct students, go to the top menu bar and click on Review/Grade Assessments. Scroll down to look at the test assignments at the bottom of the page. Hover over the student icon in the rightmost column to see the names of the students assigned that test. If it is assigned to the entire class, the student icon will not appear. To verify which preferences are set for the assessment, click on the green P in the leftmost column on the same Review/Grade Assessments page. You will need to expand the section to see what accommodations are set. Once the students take the test, you will code them as two separate tests and will view the results in separate reports. The next time your students log into FOSSweb, they will see their test assignments on the module page. To learn more about how students take an online test, including information about accommodations built into the online assessment interface, please see the Students Taking Assessments tutorial video on the FOSSweb walkthrough videos page. Here, you can also learn about coding assessments and reading reports. For more help with your FOSSmap account, please see our help pages or contact us using the form on our Contact Us page.